Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video on programming. In this video we'll learn how to create a snake game using Python programming language on Chat GPT. Again, all we need to do is to write a simple code in Python for creating a snake and obstacle game. We are going to execute the program in VS Code. Now ChatGPT provide us with the code with few explanations. Once it stops writing the code, we need to copy the code and paste it on VS Code. Now after pasting the code in VS Code, we need to click on the Run button on the top menu bar, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift-D, this will open the Run and Debug panel. Now we can play the snake game. I hope this video was helpful in learning how to create a snake game in Python and how to utilize Chat GPT to assist in the development process. As always, don't hesitate to leave any questions and comment below. Thanks for watching.